Welcome to another video. Today we have something very cool, super interesting video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to unlock the network of your phone to use it with any carrier. This is 100% legal. Your phone will not be damaged in any way. It is in fact very positive and beneficial to be fully network unlocked. Because your phone's resale value will increase because your phone will be compatible with any other carrier worldwide. We're gonna begin. So to start, we're gonna get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. In this website, we will request the remote unlocking of this phone. So we're gonna start by filling up the information here. As you can see here, there's a form, and now you just have to wait. You have to wait until they send you your unlock code. This may take 5 minutes and up to 3 or 10 business days. It depends on every brand. I'm gonna show you my personal email account so that you can see how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them on the comment section down below and I will try to answer all of them. Thank you so much.